Hello dear students, I am Mrs. C.G. Gauri Bhalera from JS College Jalna. Today we will explore marketing and salesmanship. Now we will see chapter of salesmanship with their contents. Chapter of salesmanship, introduction of salesmanship, meaning and definition of salesmanship, characteristics of salesmanship, importance of salesmanship, fundamentals of selling, duties and responsibilities of salesmen, qualities of salesmen, types of salesmen, sales quotas, sales territories, and lastly, sales management. These contents we will see. Firstly, we will see introduction and meaning and definition of salesmanship. Definition of salesmanship. Salesmanship has been defined in different ways by different writers. In the words of Peterson and Wright, salesmanship is the process whereby the seller ascertains and activates the need or wants of the buyers and satisfies these needs or wants to the mutual convenience advantages of both the buyer and the seller. According to the National Association of Marketing Teachers of America, salesmanship is the ability to persuade people to buy goods or services at a profit to the seller and with benefit to the buyers. From this definition, it is clear that salesmanship is not just handing over of goods to the customer and taking the money for them. True salesmanship is not only an art of inducing the consumers to buy goods, but also an art of guiding them to buy what they need. In short, salesmanship is the process of persuading and assisting a prospective customer to buy a commodity or service. You will know what is a salesmanship. Salesmanship is very essential in the market. Salesmanship is one of the technique to maintain or increase manufacturers' sales volume. Selling is more complicated in a competitive business environment. Whether it is in India, other Asian countries, USA, UK, Euro countries, Australia, or New Zealand, etc., it applies to everywhere. Modern concept of salesmanship. In olden days, a salesman takes an order, he shows the goods, he waits for an order, then he receives the payment. He never attempt to guide or help or pursue the payment and also consumers. But the modern concept of salesmanship is entirely different from the old concept of salesmanship. Modern concept is creative in approach. He creates needs and converts them into wants. Customer satisfaction is the main problem of salesman. Mutual profit is essential both for the buyers and the seller. Salesmen guide the customer to buy things which satisfy his want. Salesman motivates the feeling of the customer to act. So we saw what the salesmanship means, and now we completed the lecture. If you any doubts, ask in comments. Thank you.